Oop, fingers. It's PPV time. It's not fun. It's not fun. What do we got? We got the AC Delco spark plugs. And then I got the AC Delco iridiums. I got one plug and I got one wire because it's been spark plug week. That was the Nissan. No, that's the Nissan. That's the Ford. This is the Chevy. You notice that? There's one missing. You know why there's one missing? Because there's one sitting right there. You know why there's one sitting right there? You know why. Look at that. Got the plug wire off. Definitely going to need a pair of those. If you don't have a pair of those, do not attempt this. Tools everywhere. Okay, fender skirt. Take the fender skirt off, put the thing up on jack stands, and look at that. There it is. And it's loose. It's loose. You know what this is, right? This is the infamous Chevy, and it didn't come out. The Chevy number 8 spark plug on the 5.3s. Who in their right mind put this here? I tried to take this metal thing off. I got that bolt off, but where's my favorite? There you are. Come here. Love this tool. So, yeah, there's a bolt way back there. Good luck getting that one off. I got that one off, and then there's another one way up there. So, yeah, you're not getting that off. Not easily. So, I tell you, I love my icon light. Let me see if I can get in there and get that sucker out of there with my hand. Look who I got. Come out and say hi to the world. How long have you been in there? Mileage on the truck is 100,000 miles. Oh, I got it out. I've been out here for an hour. Honestly, I took all this apart, jacked it up, and you just saw me get it out. I used a Icon flat Icon Flex with a Craftsman 5/8 with the rubber in it. And then I've got my Capri. Is that about a 2-inch? That was able to get this out. We are halfway. Am I going to be able to put the new one in? I got no idea. I really don't. Holy flip. Who puts a spark plug in there? I tried going through the top. I couldn't get it. I tried everything, man. I just took the skirt off. I mashed this thing down out of the way, and I was able to get in there and get it out. Now I'm going to have to try to put the new one in. And everybody say a holy prayer for Jesus for me. What a pain in the butt. Incidentally, we're going to do struts on this. I ordered new struts, and they came in and they had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coils on it, which made it 2 inches taller. Incidentally, here's the 3 bolts that you're going to take off for the strut, and then you got the 2 down there, and it just drops through that hole. Super easy. This is a very important number right here. You will need this number, 25876860. That is the spring, and the bottom strut, those numbers didn't work for me, but it is a 39106 Monroe. Rock Auto has that for $78. They've got the coil for $88. I got to buy a new one of those. I'm not good with names, whatever that stupid thing is. And I'm probably, can you reuse this top part or can you not? I don't know. I'll have to do some reading on that. Maybe I have to order that part. That part's like $50. So I'm into it for $500. and then I got to put it together. They say it's easy. I don't know. We'll see. So spark plug is out. I'm gonna put the new one in. Aren't those other three? Look at how easy these other three are. Boom. Come on, light. Boom. And then boom. So those three were like super easy. The coils are right up top there. There they are. Work with me, light. Just that last one. Got an hour. Just that plug. Just that plug. I did the other plugs 2 weeks ago. We're done. I'm gonna put the new one in. I'm turning the phone off because I'm just not gonna record it. Put it in the comments. How did you get that number 8 out? Hopefully this helps somebody. This is really aggravating. Really, 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 really aggravating. What's left to do? Front and rear brakes, front strut and spring. Rear shocks are done. I got to do rear brakes and then bleed the system. This thing's done then. 100,000 miles. I've done everything on it. One more note. I'm taking it to the shop because up here, I don't know if you can see it. You can't see it. What else is new? What else is? Look at these 4 plugs. Boom, boom, boom. That was super easy. So down there, where are you at? Well, here, these guys. These hoses are bleeding. It's coming out of the radiator. I gotta get that one replaced, and then that one over there is bleeding. Thinking that's, I don't know. Wait, is that power steering? Nope, that goes back to the transmission. I don't know why there's 4 lines that go to the transmission, but they're all bleeding. I'm taking it to the shop. I'm paying the guy to do it because I can't crawl under this thing and do it. Other than that, well, we got air filters done, coolant's done, oil's done, transmission's done, power steering fluid's done. That's it. PPV. We've got the 100,000 mile tune-up. Oh, wait, I got this really cool. The guy in California with the ponytail, white ponytail. Is it Dave's? No, Dave is Dave's a transmission guy. Or a diesel guy. I don't know. He works on high-end cars. He turned me on to this. This is pretty cool. Amazon, $8. You just slide that in there and check your gap. They should all be pre-gap, but it's always good to check them. That's it, guys. Oh, don't forget, very important. Right there. Copper anti-seize on these plugs. Don't use aluminum. And we use copper. And then, where is it? Where is the, that's the tool drawer. I need my Q-tip. That's how I'm going to put the spark plugs back in this hose trick. You guys know that, right? Put the hose on the end of the spark plug. Where is my, blue? It's got to be in here. Bulb grease, gel. There you are. Spark plug, dielectric grease. Put a little bit on each one of the thingies and then a little bit on the coil. That way the wires come off. We're done. Goodbye, YouTube. Hope this helps somebody.